From the Revit analytical model, the coordinates, topology and parameters of the elements of an analytical model, such as section, material, etc., are transferred to LIRA-SAPR. On the LIRA-SAPR tab in the dialog box Export, you set all export parameters. The Triangulation tab is used to set board division, type of triangulation of plates, triangular, adaptive quadrilateral and quadrilateral. Triangulation step. Also, you can add new points, convert to triangles, or specify the minimum angle of a triangle. If you select the Apply by Default checkbox and click Assign, the above settings will be applied to all analytical models of the project if they do not have individual settings. Using the example of a column, let's look at the process of assigning parameters. Click Assign and see that the assigned parameters are displayed in the column Properties. In order to apply the custom settings to the model elements, you must select the entire model and click Assign. You can see that the triangulation value appears in the wall. The values can be changed manually if necessary, or through a plugin for each element when it is selected. Thank you for your attention.